After coming here, we have found this country to be extremely beautiful. The people are incredibly hospitable, and the way we have been treated, the way the event was organized, and the love and support we received from the Tajik people on the road. The whole of Dushanbe was out on the roads. They were cheering for us. They did not care which color uniform we were wearing, which country we were representing. They were cheering for everybody, and that shows the tolerance and the diversity and the appreciation for diversity of ideas, diversity of religion in the minds of the Tajik people. And I think the way the people are, I would love to visit this country again. I did not know that the country was so beautiful. I think it has an enormous tourism potential because the people are extremely hospitable. They're very nice, they're very helpful, and it's absolutely beautiful. So you have, I feel it's ripe for the country is ripe for to develop your tourist economy, and it can take Tajikistan to the next level and put Tajikistan as a tourist hub on the world map.
از 25 تا 30 مارس سال 2022 پایتخت تاجیکستان شهر دوشنبه مکان برگزاری قهرمانی آسیا آید به ولسیپیدرانی گردید. برای شرکت در این مسابقات زیاده از 400 ورزشگر از 28 کشور قاره آسیا مهمان تاجیکستان گشتند. ولسیپیدرانها در 3 کاتگوریا 19 تا 23 ساله، کلانسالان و معیوبان در 18 سبقت بهره به دست آوردن نشانهای مسابقات با هم قواز ماندند. این چاره‌بینی بهترین امکان معرفی ملت و فرهنگ تاجیک، خاصه مهمان نوازی و تحمل پذیری آنها نسبت به نمایندگان دیگر ملت و نژاد و پیروان ادیان گوناگون بود.
This is sports is all tolerance. We have different kind of nations. There are 44 nations affiliated to cycling federation, to this Asian Cycling Confederation, and different religions, different castes, different creeds, but we are all together because of that tolerance. That margin we have to keep. That margin we must have. Like even in Afghanistan when everything happened, International Cycling Union sent a special plane to rescue his cyclists from there and took them to Switzerland. That's what tolerance is. That's what tolerance is. Sports, we don't get agitated. If we lose, we still have tolerance. If we win, that's again a tolerance. And mind you, it starts at the age of 14 to 15 when you start training yourself. The first thing which a coach teaches you, you have to be very patient, and that tolerance you have that tolerance to lose. That's a different fight. It's a fight of excellence. It's not a fight of destruction. You are not destroying anyone. We are trying to, win over one another one, and then
I think not fight, but trying to be better.
Better, that's all. And with a lot of tolerance, with a lot of hard work, everything goes on. But key word is tolerance.
عباره‌های معمولی ورزش قاصد صلح، ورزش سرحد ندارد و امثال اینها تحمل پذیری را نسبت به انسان‌های سیاره ناوابسته از دین و ملت و نژاد آنها در تفکر انسان‌ها جای نموده است. در دایره یک سازمان بین المللی ورزشی گرد آمدن ورزشکاران ملت و خلقیت‌های گوناگون خود تصدیق این گفته هاست.
I think the best way to escalate, to appreciate and to propagate diversity and tolerance is through sports. And sports bring people of the whole world with different religions, different ideas, different faiths together. And they put them under one roof. They put them in the spirit of healthy activity. So I think the message of tolerance is best displayed through sports, and Tajikistan, by hosting this event, has taken a very good step forward in propagating tolerance and religious diversity and the diversity of people and diversity of thought. Thank you.
یادآور می‌شویم که دوچرخه‌رانان تاجیک در این سبقت‌ها 2 نشان طلا، 2 نقره و 2 برنجی به دست آوردند. اما در برابر موفقیت، دوستی و رفاقت و مهر و محبت برای ورزشکاران ارزشی والا به شمار می‌رود.
ما انسان هستیم. من بسیار به یک اعتقاد بلند حرمت عزت میکنم. به خاطر چی؟ به خاطر که وقتی که ما انسان بودیم، ما باید یک دیگر حرمت عزت کنیم. نه وای دیگر دین و دیگر و یا دیگر نژاد دیگر بدن شما برای انسان باید مهم نباشه و همچون انسان ما باید بشناسیم ما باید همچون انسان حرمت کنیم دوست بداریم زیرا که وقتی که انسان کسی را به خاطر انسان بدنش دوست می‌داره او انسان هم همون مهر و محبت همون هم به خاطر انسان بدنش دوست می‌داره
ترغیب تحمل پذیری و مبارزه به امان بردن نسبت به ملتگرایی توسط ورزش عامل پهن گشته است که در همه نوع‌های ورزش گسترده استفاده می‌شود. عقیده همه برای یک کس و یک کس برای همه شعار مخصوص ورزشکاران است.
Generally, you know, the nations fighting, religions fighting, which is not tolerance. We have to learn this from God. You know, He is one. That's what our religion says, which every religion says. So it's when it's one, then there's no fighting. You have to be tolerant. You have to accept each other. You know, reaching God through different means, but everyone reaches God. All religions are the same. So we have to live in a world where we should all be together. Brotherhood, tolerance. Tolerance is the basic, underline that language, that word, that tolerance. That's what teaches everyone lessons, that's what teaches everyone how to behave, that teaches you, when you see people fighting and you stand there and look at them, they lost their tolerance, which is bad.
زیاده از 400 ورزشکاری که طی یک هفته مهمان دوشنبه شهر بودند در برابر نشانهای مسابقات تأثیرات والای و نجیبی را آید به مهمان نوازی و تحمل پذیری تاجیکان با